In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as QuickBooks prepares your data for download. This is especially helpful if you need a backup, want to analyze your books in a spreadsheet, or plan to share information with your accountant. Let's start right from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. First, look to the upper right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu. It's easy to miss if you're new to the interface, but it's the control center for many company-level actions. Go ahead and click the settings icon to open the menu. If you don't see the options you expect, you may need the right user permissions, so make sure you have access to company settings or reach out to an admin. From the menu that appears, select Export Data. This option tells QuickBooks you want to package up your information for use outside the platform. Clicking Export Data will take you to a dedicated page where QuickBooks outlines what's included. You'll typically see content grouped by categories such as reports and lists, reflecting the core information stored in your company file. Take a moment to glance over what's shown so you're aware of what will be included. If your file is large or covers multiple years, it may take a bit longer to generate, which is normal. Now you're ready to create the file. Click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin compiling your data into a .xlsx file. You might see a short loading indicator while it prepares the export. Once it's ready, your browser will download the file to your default downloads folder. If you don't see the download start, check your browser's pop-up or download settings and ensure your internet connection is stable. A quick refresh and retry can help if the servers are busy. After the file has downloaded, you can keep it as a backup, share it securely with your accounting team, or open it in your preferred spreadsheet program for deeper analysis. Remember that exported data contains sensitive financial information, so store it in a secure location and limit access to trusted individuals only. That's all there is to it. Open the settings menu, choose Export Data, and click Export to Excel. A simple workflow that gives you a portable copy of your books whenever you need it. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. QuickBooks updates the look from time to time, but the export option remains in the settings area. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.